welcome back to my channel. You won't believe what I just did. I completely filmed this whole entire episode and to realize that I actually didn't press record. So that was a waste and I was totally speaking to myself. That was so weird. Anyway, back to this. Welcome back and thanks for watching again. And if you are new here, I'm Coco Louise and I talk about everything from fashion, travel and style. So definitely subscribe to me and you'll be notified of all my latest videos that are upcoming. And yeah, I hope I can inspire you, so stay tuned. In this video, it is going to be a brand review. It's about a specific brand, Australian label called Hills & West. Hills & West is an accessories label, so she has some incredible handbags. But I'm talking about one specific bag in this video and it's right here. And I cannot wait to show you because you really deserve to see this. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. But first I just wanted to really thought I wanted to share how important it is to support these local young designers around the world. They are the future of fashion. They're so creative and they really do think outside the box. So what you see is so different and it's so unique. What you wear is going to be unique. You will stand out. So I love that about working with young brands and I love that about wearing their collections as well because I'm supporting them and it's definitely, and you know that you're definitely helping them grow by doing that. And they have so much talent, so help them get their things out there because you know, you'll be so surprised at what they have. So feel like you should definitely get out there and explore more of these brands because you're going to find so many unique pieces and not everybody is going to be wearing them, but be the first, why not? So I am currently supporting this gorgeous brand, Hills & West, and I think you should too. I really want you to go into her website and have a look. Just to let you know, this isn't a sponsored post, this is just purely because I really deeply believe in this brand and I love what she has. So I wanted to show you this specific bag because this is a bag that really resonates with my wardrobe and my style and personality. And as a personal stylist and a wardrobe stylist, I always like to make sure people can wear items more than once and show them how to style them in different ways. So this bag is doing it for me. Like, it's awesome. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. First of all, I'm just going to introduce the amazing latest collection from Hills & West, Lunar. This handbag is exquisite. It is the perfect size. It is the perfect shape and it has the perfect size strap. It's thick and it sits on your shoulder perfectly. It doesn't dig in. Like, you know how you have those thin straps that really digs in and it's painful? Especially today, I don't know about you, but I carry my water bottle, I carry my makeup, I carry all my chargers. Yes, I do, my adapter as well. I also carry my diary and yeah, who doesn't, right? What else do you guys carry? And wallet, of course. I do pay for things. So anyway, this bag fits it all, so it's amazing, but it's not too big. And the beauty of this is actually she's created this beautiful little surprise for us because she likes giving her shoppers and clients surprises. And watch this. Are you ready for it? Drum rolls. I wish I had a drummer. That would be cool. Maybe one day. Anyway, watch this. Yes, it's got gold insert inside. How beautiful. It's so chic still. It's still very subtle because it's not showing anywhere else apart from here, her brand, which I love that detail. But it's actually opening up and it's just bringing that extra spark and chicness to the whole look. So I love this and I think it's amazing. Oh my God, Hills & West, you are incredible. Let's open up the bag from the inside. I want to show you how incredible it is from in here. It's big enough to open up and actually grab things. So it's not one of those tight bags where you can barely fit your fingers in. Like, I really don't like that because that really frustrates me. I don't know about you, but it does. And she's actually inserted this pocket in here which is actually for a water bottle, because that's why she's designed it with it, because when she travels, she thought she loves to carry her water bottle. She likes to stay hydrated, as we all do. So she's created this specifically for the water bottle, and it fits. Like, that is so cool. So she's definitely thought about all these details, and she's nailed it. I love this. Okay, so as for my next little surprise I want to show you about this bag is the fact that, yeah, you can wear this in different ways. And do you want to know how? First of all, this comes in as a base. The whole bag comes as black, comes as red, and it also comes as white. So all beautiful, really, really beautiful. But the beauty of this is that you can actually buy different colors. Yes, detachable, insane, so cool. And you can actually wear this as a clutch, actually. You can wear this as a clutch, which is fabulous because it fits beautifully under the arm and holds really well. So I love that. Very chic. Wear this out with a beautiful dress. It edges up the look a little bit, but it's still very classy. But then you can purchase separate colors, and to purchase them, it's not that expensive. So you can purchase these different colors. In red, this one actually reminds me of like Formula One for some reason. I think it's very sporty. I think that's so cool. I love that. Insane. You can also add a red strap here. You can add a black strap, so you can purchase these separately. You can also add a white strap. Awesome. So the white strap with the red is actually going to make it look a little bit more sporty, I think. It's very sport luxe. Or you can add the black strap or the red. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to bring in the white one because I think this is one of my favorites. It's very, very chic and it just screams class to me. It actually reminds me a bit of Victoria Beckham and I love it. And I'm going to add a white strap. Now I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing here because this is the best part. I don't know, do you guys travel a lot at all? Do you travel around the weekends, just interstate, or for a weekend away in your state? Or maybe do you love to travel around the world? Do you wear backpacks when you travel on the plane? Well, if you do, or if they ignore you, here is your better option. Backpack. Oh my God, yes. So this was specifically thought about because there's a lot of space in here and that you can actually put so much in there for when you're traveling. And this backpack is the perfect size and it's so comfortable on the back. Like, it's gorgeous because it's round, but it's still a flat back. So it sits perfectly on your back and it's so comfortable because the straps are very thick and they're not too long, so it doesn't sag down, hang down, I should say. I love it. I think that's so chic. I mean, I would even, I would even go to work with this if I had a corporate job and I was wearing a beautiful suit or a skirt suit. Yeah, guys, you should definitely think outside the box. I'm sure you can go to work adding that bit of style to your outfit. Like, why not? You'll feel so good about yourself too. And the fact that this is still very chic, it's not over the top, so you can definitely pull it off. Or you can just wear it as a carry bag, or you can wear it again as a shoulder strap to work, to the weekend, with denim jeans, with a dress. Beautiful. That's why I love this bag. There's so much you can do with it. There's so many ways that you can actually carry this. I mean, you can even wear this as a really nice long crossbody bag. Have fun with it. Play around a little bit. I mean, oh, divine. Crossbody bag, and that's perfect. Nice ankle boots, a leather jacket, double up on that leather pants. Leather pants are in this winter. Yeah, I think it's just so sublime. Another way of wearing this is, which I adore. I really love this one. I really love wearing it this way as well. Is other than the fact that you can double strap this, okay? Still so comfortable, but let this one hang down. So let that strap hang down. I think that looks really stylish. It adds a bit of interest, and I think it just sits beautifully. And you know, like, It sits beautifully and it's casual, but it's so chic. So yeah, this is one of my favorite bags and I really highly recommend it. It's that perfect add-on to your wardrobe. So check out Hills and West. Have a look, it's in my link in the description below. If you have any questions, do ask me, send me an email or just pop down your question in the comments below and I will get back to you gladly. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. It means a lot to me that you are back or if you're new. And make sure you just subscribe and like this video if you enjoy it. And yeah, please feel free to leave any comments below. Thank you again. Much love. Bye.